in taking healing properties from your own body and applying them right into your achy joints, so your joint tissue can be repaired and restored naturally. This treatment is truly revolutionary. Patients across America are having life-changing results, and there's no drugs, no surgery, and no downtime. If you have pain in your knees, back, shoulders, hips, you need to stop what you're doing and call QC Kinetics now for a free consultation. Learn how the latest advances in regenerative medicine can give you your life back. Call 419-362-6767. That's 419-362-6767.
Oh my God, that's a long one. It's still going, Dad.
With over 60 different brands of